It's Jackie Isle again from the International Spy Museum, and we're still stuck inside, but we're still talking about relationships. So I wanted to talk to you today about the relationship between letters and other letters, letters and numbers, and letters and symbols, and this is about code making and code breaking. If you remember, we had let you know that we have this speaking in code worksheet on the Spy Museum's website. You can download this, and it's a great worksheet. Spies use codes to hide their messages. What they are doing is communicating in secret. And if someone intercepts a message sent from one spy to another, and it's in code, then they might not know what it means. A code is, or a cipher is like a way to disguise your messages and keep them safe so that only the recipient, the person who's receiving it, could understand it. The only way someone who intercepts it could crack that code is if they knew the key or they were an expert code cracker and could work it out. So I'm going to show you how you can make your own coded messages. On that worksheet, you can cut out your own cipher wheel. And a cipher wheel is an inner disk and an outer disk, and they can spin. I set my cipher wheel here to a key, and you can set yours to any key you want. You can see I set A to X. That's my key. And let me show you how this works. So, stick this up here. Okay, so make sure you can see that. Okay, so you can see if I want to write the word spy, I look for the S on the outer wheel, or you can do it on the inner wheel too. It really doesn't matter. And you see the corresponding letter on the inner wheel is F. And then I look for the P, and you can see on the inner wheel it's I. And then the Y, the inner wheel is a Z. So my word spy now becomes fizz. My key is A equals X. I would set that key here, and then I can decrypt it. Now the challenging part becomes writing an entire message, lots of words with spaces. And so my challenge to you is to write messages to each other as if you're both spies. You know, your family is a family of spies, and you write secret messages to each other and see if you can decrypt them. You can start by giving each other the key and the tool, and then you can maybe not give the key and see if someone can crack it. And on that worksheet, there's other coding messages, other ways of coding messages like Pigpen and Navajo code and some others that you can try out as well. So happy code making, happy code cracking. Good luck, agents, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.